Well, since last time, when I baked the cake, it was successful. I'm gonna make something else. Alright, what should I make? I'm gonna get these beans out of the way. All this stuff out of the way. Probably need the stove. What should I make? Let me check the fridge. Hey, what is there to make? Well, I could make a cheese frappuccino. We don't even have cheese, actually. I don't know where I got that from. What about in the freezer? We have a turkey. Why are we? You know what? I'll just make something. I'll just see what's. Gotta get the pan. Alright, let's see. Alright, so we're obviously gonna need to turn on the oven. I'm just gonna move this around. There you go. Now you just gotta wait. Let's see what kind of ingredients I need. Why does it smell like pancakes? I need these. I don't know what these are. I just like. Anyways, let's put that in there. Yep, that's good. What else? Maybe something in here. I don't know, I'm checking the freezer. Should check. And here, let's see. What should I eat? I'll get these tortillas. I can make a tortilla special. Cut that motherfucker. Alright, so first we have these knives. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its tail. I'll just pick this one. Yeah. Let me just grab it. Grab it real quick. Alright. Come on. I almost cut myself. Alright, so I remember that thing because I realized it was empty, and I think that was the last one. So I'm just gonna cook these. Oh, let me chips. Where is the oil? Where's that oil at? I don't know where the oil is. Where's the oil? What the is the oil? You know what? Oh, there it is. Olive oil. Alright. Now just open this up. I don't know how to open. Let's just wait until this is done. Man. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna sit here and wait until that dries. Alright, I got the olive oil ready. I just gotta grab this, Sizzle that on there. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the stuff. That's the good stuff. That's some good stuff. That's a nice pool. Oh shit, it's popping. Alright. What do we use? Oh no, not these flowers, Oh, fuck it. I'll just put it in. I'm gonna use a spatula. A spatula to scoop these up. Put this on the thing. Okay. Homemade chips. Yeah. That's nice. That's beautiful. Ooh, yes. It's really not that hard to make chips. Put some more fuckers in there. Shit. Look. Yeah. Yeah, that's hot. That's real hot. I think I burnt the other one. It's fine. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah. I don't know where to put this. I guess I'll just put it back on the chopping board. Yeah. I like that. Making Doritos up in this bitch. Look at that. Alright, let's test drive these ones. They're hot. They're crunchy. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna put the rest in. Shit, Kobe Bryant? LeBron? Shit. Jimmy? Put that bitch on high. Alright, I'm gonna go sit on the couch. So relaxing. What's the smell? Oh no. Ah! Oh shit! Oh no, I should. Oh, big bang, I think. Oh shit, it's an oil fire! I can't pour water in it. Oh shit, I don't know what to do. Oh shit. Lid! There's no lid. Ah! You know, that's not my problem. Well, I've learned my lesson. I'm never ever gonna cook again. It's getting smoky in here. It's probably fine. I'm gonna go to sleep. Breaking news! Today in Townsville, New York news, we found one dead body in a burned building. And the fire was suspected to be made of oil. We will pull up the tragic footage now. How tragic. So very tragic. Anyways, that was Townsville, New York news. I am Donkey Kong, your news anchor, signing off.